Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your information with Microsoft Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the official Microsoft account recovery page. Open any web browser and type in the URL account.live.com/acsr. Once the page loads, you'll see a prompt asking for your email address or phone number linked to your Microsoft account. Enter the required information in the designated field. Click on the Next button to proceed. On the next screen, you may be prompted to verify your identity. Choose the method that works best for you, whether it's a verification code via text, email, or an authentication app. If you select text or email, check your phone or inbox for the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field and click Next. If you've successfully verified your identity, you'll see options to recover your account. Follow the prompts to reset your password or recover your information. If you choose to reset your password, create a new, strong password. Ensure your new password is different from previous ones for added security. Once you've updated your password, you may need to sign in again using your new credentials. After signing in, review your account settings to ensure everything is as it should be. Consider adding additional recovery options for future reference. This will help you regain access more easily if you encounter issues again. Lastly, make sure to log out of your account when using a public or shared device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.